Hi, I'm Tracy with Texas Certified Restoration, and I'm showing you the end result, not the beginning of when it happened the other evening. What happened is this is a guest bedroom that doesn't get used very often, and inside here around there is the toilet, and up under the tank has bolts, and that's what was dripping. So even if you didn't use the toilet, it was still dripping. So that was found. We got called out, and what happened was the carpet was wet here where I cut it out, and typically I don't cut out carpet on clean water, but in this particular case, got permission from the homeowner and he wanted it out. So remove the baseboards here, and if you'll notice, yes, there is a doorway, took out the door. No, I don't typically do that, but in this particular case, the door frame was made of MDF. MDF basically is compressed cardboard, and it was swelled up to about here. And homeowner didn't want it, so I removed the door, took off the striker plate and all the screws, put it behind over there with the door. Door is just fine. And then proceeded to take off the trim, top, header, both sides, and then the entire casing just slipped out. Took off the trim on both sides as well, and that's why there's not a door here, but normally there would be in just a normal drying environment. Took my moisture meter. Obviously at the time it was wet here, here, all the way down, wet here, here, and put in a dehumidifier, put in some air movers. To everyone else, they're called fans, but to us, they're called air movers. And 3 days later, it's all dry. It's warm in here, and the dehumidifier read 98 degrees. Outputting right here, outputting hot, dry air, which helps pull out water. So here in the bathroom, did the same thing, took off baseboards all the way around, and then behind the toilet. And not everyone does this, but I made sure I swept, vacuumed, and took out the little nails, because when you're cleaning and everything, nobody wants to jab yourself with a nail, and no one else. So, took my moisture meter. This particular one is a Protometer, and it's the pin type, and you stick it inside there, and I'm reading a 12.2. Typically anything 16 and below is dry. So that's the end of that. We're going to wrap up the equipment and get out of the customer's way.